Here we will see the organelle is present in animal cell. Animal cell consists of cell membrane which act as the selectively permeable membrane which allows only a certain type of solute to enter or leave the membrane. The membrane is enclosing one fluid-like structure called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is helping as the medium in which all other organelles are suspended. The first organelle is nucleus. Nucleus is also known as the control center of the cell. It consists of all the genetic material. Nucleus is enclosed by a membrane called nuclear membrane. The function of the nuclear membrane is same that of a cell membrane. There is one dense organelle which is present inside the nucleus, that is the nucleolus. So it helps in the protein production inside the nucleus. Then the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum and the second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in the protein production and helps in the transport of the protein to the Golgi body. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they help in the production of the lipids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is named as rough because of the presence of some spherical bodies on its outer surface. These spherical bodies are known as ribosomes. They are known as the protein factories. Now the next organelle is Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. The main function of Golgi apparatus is to secrete the enzyme hormones. It helps in the vitellogenesis. It helps in the acrosome formation of the human sperm. It also helps in the cell division. Now comes the powerhouse of the cell, that is the mitochondria. It produces energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Now comes the vacuole. Vacuole is present in both animal and plant. The size of vacuole in animal is small. They store all the nutrients in the form of water, salt, mineral, protein, carbohydrate. Then comes the suicide bag of the cell, that is the lysosome. It consists of many hydrolytic enzymes that helps in the engulfing of the foreign elements and also in the digestion. But sometimes the lysosome ruptures itself and releases its enzyme into the animal cells. Now comes the plant cell. Plant cell has membrane. It is enclosing the cytoplasm. Here also the nucleus is present. Nucleus is also enclosed with the help of a nuclear membrane. Nucleolus is also there. Rough endoplasmic is there. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also there. Ribosomes are there. Golgi apparatus is there. Here no vitellogenesis process is taking place. Mitochondria is there. Now see student, here the size of the vacuole is larger than the animal cells. The functions will be the same. The chloroplast is there. Chloroplast stores the green pigment, the chlorophyll, which helps in the photosynthesis. Now comes the cell wall. This is the main difference in the plant cell. They consist of cell wall. Cell wall is a rigid structure that gives support and mechanical strength to the plant cell. The cell wall is composed of cellulose, Now we will discuss about the structure centrosome and centrioles, which are unique to the animal cells. They are only present in animal cells. Centrosomes, they are situated nearer to the nucleus. The centrosome consists of many tubular units known as centrioles. The centrioles organize themselves into a circular form which are placed at right angle to each other. The centrioles help in the cell division. During the cell division, it will organize themselves into the two opposite poles of the cell. The centrioles, they help in the production of the spindle fiber that will attach to the chromosome and tear apart the chromatid at the two opposite pole, and hence the two new cells will be formed.